How to fix FiveM not opening or launching in your PC. What you need to do is get over to desktop and then press Windows R on your keyboard and type %app data percentage and hit enter. Then click on app data, open local. Here you'll find a FiveM folder, just search it and delete it. Right click on it, then delete it. Once you delete the FiveM folder, just restart your PC and then relaunch FiveM again. It will create a new folder right here and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment on below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.